all clean. Good afternoon, guys. As you saw, I was at the car wash, giving my car a bath, which was well needed. Because the windshield was very, very dirty, and the car was dirty overall, so I figured might as well just give it a bath before, you know, it rains again, which it won't happen, or which it probably won't rain for a while, because I've checked the forecast lately. So, anyway, I got out of school about an hour ago. It was pretty good. Just about to go home for the day and relax. Hey guys, well, I've been bumming around the house since I got home earlier today. Got something cool to show you guys though. This is my Southern Illinois Salukis football jersey from Under Armour. This little thing here says Salukis block out cancer. When I bought this, 30% of the proceeds went to Coaches vs. Cancer Fund, which was pretty cool. Of course, got the Missouri Valley Football Conference, which is what the team is part of. And then on the back, you got just the Saluki Dogs paw print. So, I got that when I was down in Carbondale, but I never showed it to you guys until now, so sorry about that. But anyway, I'm gonna go to bed early. It's been a long day for me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.